I will say these are one of my most famous, not famous, but favorite segments, and that's making seafood. So today we are making some snow crab legs, mussels, and shrimp in a spicy red sauce. Yes, indeed. So these are our beautiful ingredients for our delicious dish. And for all you seafood lovers out there, I know this is for you. Okay, so call all your friends and family and let's talk about it. All right. So my loves, I have some snow crab legs here. All right, got it in this water because I want to rinse it off. You know, you don't know who's handling your seafood prior. Then I got some jumbo pre-deveined shrimp. Okay, I don't feel like deveining shrimp and doing all that stuff, okay? We got some potatoes. We got some chopped onions. We have garlic, lots of garlic, of course. We have butter. You're gonna need the butter because it's gonna make it nice and rich, okay? That's what we want. We have some rice wine vinegar. Any type of, it doesn't necessarily have to be rice wine. It could be any type of vinegar, any type of acidity, lime juice. I got some sour orange, lemon juice, regular apple cider vinegar, whatever you have, okay? We have some mussels here, okay? Everything here I'm going to clean. I'm just going to rinse it, okay? You want to make sure your food is clean. You don't know who's handling it before. Okay, we got some ears of corn. We have a small can of tomato sauce. I have my green seasoning here. As you can see, I use this in a lot of my cooking. All right, and I have a recipe for it. If you don't have it, no big deal. Black pepper, a little bit of cumin. We have some sugar, okay, which is going to balance out that acidity. Okay, I think I already mentioned the tomato sauce. Okay, yeah. So I got this Weber's, some kind of a rub, but I'm gonna throw that in there too, just because. Okay, I have some Tony Chaucherie's seasoning. Okay, we have some chicken bouillon seasoning. I have a little hot sauce right over there as well. We need some Sazon, okay, and some oil. All right, so my loves, we are going to just peel our garlic, okay? And we're not going to dice or anything. All we're doing is peeling it, and we're going to give it one crush. That's all you want to do, just to release the oils of that garlic. And my loves, the ingredients are listed in the description box below, okay? I didn't forget about you. Okay, so we're just peeling that garlic, setting it to the side. Now we're going to put our oil in our nice big pot because, you know, these snow crab legs are pretty big. All right, so you need something with enough space. Then I'm going to add my onions to the pot, to the sizzling oil. All right, give that a little stir. And we're going to add our garlic. So, you know, once that garlic hits that hot oil, it just becomes a party, a serious party, baby. Okay, so now we're going to stir that up in there. Okay, and we're doing this on like medium heat. Okay, but you don't want to burn your garlic. Okay, we're sauteing these onions a little bit. Okay, still somewhat translucent. All right, and now we're going to start mixing our seasonings together. Okay, so I'm taking my Tony Chaucherie's. And guys, use whatever seasonings you have in your house, okay? You don't have to run out and get exactly, but if you have some of these ingredients, use it. But also use whatever you have at hand, okay? So I'm using some Tony Chaucherie's, some chicken bouillon powder. Now, don't be afraid. You might see all this and be like, oh my God, that's going to be salty. No, don't worry about it because we have a lot going on. We want to ensure that these crab legs are well seasoned, well flavored. Okay, now I'm going to add some sugar. Okay, and the sugar is going to add balance. It's going to balance out that, it's going to balance out the acidity. Okay. Now we're going to add some of our sazon, okay? Just because I like that flavor and of course the beautiful color that it adds to it too. So that's the sazon with culantro and achiote. Okay. Now we're adding some cumin. Just a little bit of cumin. Cumin is very potent. It's very, you just need a little bit of it, okay? Okay. So now we are going to add some black pepper. Add as much black pepper as you want. I'll give you my description, my listing of what I want. Of course, this is spicy, so if you want to pull back on the black pepper, by all means do so, okay? Okay, and now I'm adding some of this. It's by Weber. It's a nice seasoning kind of rub things. I love that these. Seasoning so rub good. Right there is called Cowboy by Weber. Okay, it's a rub. I love it. So we're mixing all dry ingredients together. All right, and now, my loves, we are cutting our potatoes. Any type of potatoes you have, I'm just cutting them in half. These are small potatoes, medium small potatoes, so I'm cutting those in half. Okay, so back to our onions and garlic that is sauteing. As you can see, it's caramelizing nicely. Okay, now we're going to add our butter. Gotta have butter. Okay, I'm not making anything healthy here, but for those who wanna, they're watching their weight. I get it, but when you're doing something like this with seafood, you need that butter. You can't. I don't know. You can't play around. Okay. So we're adding nice butter, lots of it, and we're adding some of our green seasoning. Like I mentioned earlier, I do have a video on how to make this green seasoning, okay? And this has everything from parsley, onions, garlic, scallion, all this. Well, you don't know if you don't know, but that just adds beautiful flavor, okay? All right, we're stirring that in there. All right, and now we're adding our babies here, our delicious snow crab legs, which I've rinsed. Remember to rinse your food. Remember to rinse anything like, especially snow crab legs, just rinse them because you don't know who's handling them before, okay? And now we're adding our potatoes at the same time. Okay, and I just want to toss all that beautiful herb butter and and now I'm adding my corn. I want to get everything in there married together. This is exciting. This is one of those exciting moments for me. And now we're adding our seasoning. Now again, don't be alarmed. It might seem like a lot, but look how much we got here that we're working with, okay? So you can adjust your seasonings accordingly, okay? I'll leave you my recipe like I stated, but if you want to adjust any spices and so forth, by all means, do so, okay? So I'm just coating it with those spices and that butter. Okay. Doesn't that look great, guys? It looks good to eat now, but of course we still got to cook this bad boy, okay? We want to make sure all those beautiful spices, stuff get into those crab legs, okay? And now we're adding our tomato sauce, okay? And you could use, if you have spaghetti sauce too, you could use a little bit of spaghetti sauce if you have, okay? Definitely. All right, and now we're going to add some water, okay? If you have chicken broth, I think you could use or any kind of seafood broth, go ahead, okay? But you could add water, okay? And now I'm adding some of my sour orange. Guys, whatever you have. If you have lime juice, lemon juice, vinegar, I'm just combining a little bit of vinegar with some sour orange. Of course, my husband, he's allergic to lemons and lime, so, this is why I'm doing that. And then I'm adding some hot sauce, okay? Again, this is spicy, okay? But you adjust that to your taste accordingly. Okay, we're going to give that a little stir. Okay. And have fun. Have fun with this. Maybe I've noticed some people add boiled eggs to this. I mean, I'm not a fan of adding boiled eggs to my seafood stuff like this, but by all means go to. If you have some sausage, throw it in there. Why not? Okay, so we're going to cover that for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, and we are going to get to our shrimp and our mussels. I just have them in this water. These shrimps are jumbo shrimp, and they're already deveined. I don't got the patience sometimes to be cleaning the shrimp and stuff, but I do like to rinse it accordingly. Okay, so as you can see, that water's a little cloudy. So all right, so it's been 15-20 minutes, and we're taking off this lid. Okay, as you can see, and our potatoes are starting to get tender. Okay, and giving that a little stir. And again, guys, adjust your seasonings to your taste. Okay, I'm just taking some of that beautiful red sauce and putting it over my corn and potatoes. Okay. All right, and now we are going to start adding our shrimp and our mussels last, because these don't take long to cook. Shrimp's basically 5 minutes, really, it's done. No, you don't want your shrimp to be tough, so we're adding our shrimp and our mussels. And you'll be surprised of how quickly and how it sufficiently absorbs the beautiful red sauce flavor. Okay, but I'm gonna try to get those to the bottom there so it could boil into that red sauce. Doesn't that look beautiful? Beautiful colors. We have yellow, we have orange, we have black, we have brown. Beautiful colors here. And that's another beautiful thing too, because people eat with their eyes too. So add different colors, if you have some red peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, add that. Because all that is attractive to the eyes, Okay, and I'm just, taking that red sauce because I want to make sure everything is bathed in there with that beautiful spicy sauce. Okay? And my loves, here we go. This is our beautiful pot. It's done. After between 20 and 25 minutes, this will be done. And as you can see, that sauce got nice and rich, and it has a beautiful red, orange-like color. All right, and here we go. And I'm serving this right out of the pot. I think it's so cute, to just, you could serve it right out of a pot like this. Okay, and get your plates together, and everybody could just go in and take what they want. So it's so cute to do it like that, to just serve it out of this pot. All right? So we're gonna go in. Okay, so I'm gonna try one of these shrimps here. Okay, which is, you see, as you can see, it's not overcooked, and it had time to just absorb that beautiful, nice red sauce. And it's so good. Okay, and my loves, I want you all to do something for me. I want you to do 3 things. Don't forget to subscribe, and I need you to eat, love, and pray. Bye.